Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on optical fiber communication. I am Dr. Dafda, and in this second video class of OFC, we will understand what optical fiber communication actually means. It is also called fiber optics communication, optical communication, or optical communication systems. And these are simply different names of the same technology. This technology uses light to transmit information over very long distances at very high speed, and it is the backbone of today's internet, video calls, online streaming and global communication networks. So in this video class we will understand what actually this amazing technology is. Okay, so let us start. See, OFC is optical fiber communications. Always start with understanding the name. Let us break down the words. Optical or optics means science of light and vision. Fiber means glass or plastic strand or cable. And communication means transfer of information between two locations. Okay. See, the first word is optical. Optical means related to optics. Optics is the science of light and vision. It studies how light travels and how we are able to see objects. In optical fiber communication, light signals carry information through the fiber cable using the principle of total internal reflection. Just like light helps our eyes to see, optical fibers uses light to send data at very fast over long distances. The second word is fiber. Fiber is a very thin strand or cable made of glass or plastic that carries light signals. Many optical fibers are bundled together to form a cable for communication. The core carries light, cladding keeps the light inside the core, and the outer jacket protects the fiber cable by providing it mechanical strength. And the third word is communication. And we know that communication means transfer of information from one place to another place. In optical fiber communication, data like voice, video and internet signals are converted into light signals, and these light signals travel through optical fiber and reach the receiver where the information is received back. So what is optical fiber communication? So optical fiber communication means sending information from one point to another point using light signals as the carrier inside the glass or plastic cable. Remember, in this communication system, optical fibers made of glass or plastic are used as the transmission medium. The transmitter converts information like voice, video, internet and data into light signals. These light signals travel through the optical fiber over long distances with very less loss. At the receiving end, the light signals are converted back into original information. Now the important question that comes in our mind is why optical fiber communication is used when conventional copper wire communication is available and also other communication medias such as wireless communication, satellite communication, etc. are available. See, earlier copper cables were widely used for communication, but they have high signal loss over long distances. Wireless communication is convenient, but signals can be affected by obstacles, interference and weather conditions. Satellite communication can cover very large distances, but is very expensive and may have delay in communication. While optical fiber communication uses light signals which can carry a very large amount of data at very high speed. Signal loss in optical fiber is very low, so information can travel long distances without major losses. Optical fibers are not affected by electromagnetic interference, which makes communication more reliable. Also, they provide better security because it is very difficult to tap light signals inside the fiber cable. Therefore, optical fiber communication is preferred today because it is fast, reliable, secure, support long distance communication, and is future ready. Okay, and do you know what is connecting the whole world through internet? Yes, it is the optical fiber communication. Optical fiber communication is the backbone of global internet because it carries huge amount of data at very high speed. Undersea optical fiber cables connect different countries and continents, making worldwide communication possible. Data centers, mobile networks, cloud services, homes and businesses all depend on optical fiber networks. Services like video streaming, online banking, gaming, video calls, telemedicine and e-learning work smoothly because of optical fiber communication. Without optical fiber communication, today's internet, digital economy and modern communication would not be possible. And we will study all these important aspects of optical fiber communication as we go ahead in this subject. Okay, so that is all for this video class. I hope you would have gained a good knowledge from this video lecture. You will find the link to download the PPTs from the description box. Thank you very much.